What's the meaning of couchette? Couchette. Couchette.
Couchette. Couchette. A couchette is a type of sleeping arrangement on a train. It usually consists of a bunk bed with a curtain for privacy. Couchettes are commonly found on overnight trains in Europe and Asia, where they offer an affordable alternative to more expensive sleeping options. Generally, each compartment has 4 to 6 beds and passengers can choose to book a single berth or share the space with other travelers. The word couchette comes from the French word coucher, which means to lie down.